Alec Baldwin in tears as judge dismisses charges against him. The involuntary manslaughter case against Alec Baldwin was dismissed in a dramatic fashion after the judge ruled that prosecutors did not properly turn over evidence to the defense. The nearly 3-year legal saga for Alec Baldwin and the fatal shooting of a cinematographer ended without a verdict but with tears of relief shown on the actor's face. The decision came after a chaotic hearing just a few days into Baldwin's involuntary manslaughter trial related to the fatal shooting of cinematographer Halyna Hutchins on October 21, 2021, on the New Mexico set of the film Rust. The actor had pleaded not guilty and could have faced up to 18 months in prison. During opening statement, prosecutors allege Alec Baldwin violated the cardinal rules of firearm safety by pointing the prop gun at Hutchins and pulling the trigger. However, Baldwin's defense blamed the film's armorer and the first assistant director jointly in charge of firearm safety on set for allowing a real bullet to be loaded into the prop gun and failing to make it safe before it reached Baldwin. Anthony Alex Spiro said, and I quote, "This was an unspeakable tragedy, but Alec Baldwin committed no crime. He was an actor acting, playing the role of Alan Rust. These cardinal rules are not cardinal rules on a movie set," end quote. Just so you know, this is the third criminal case related to the on-set shooting. A match Ana Gutierrez Reed, the armorer for Rust, was found guilty of involuntary manslaughter and sentenced to 18 months in prison. Dave Halls, the assistant director, agreed to plead no contest to negligent use of a deadly weapon, the district attorney for New Mexico First Judicial District said. The terms of the deal included 6 months of probation and a suspended sentence, prosecutors said. So, currently it's all over.
Yeah.
And he was in tears.
Yeah, I mean, to be honest, I am particularly relieved for him because I don't know how he must have struggled through this. I mean, even where he's going, someone came into his shop. I think it was a coffee shop, a tea shop, and the woman came and insulted him, a black woman and everything, and he had to throw the woman out of the office. So he has received a lot of stigma following this. We're just glad that it's finally vindicated. And like they always say, you're not guilty until proven guilty. And remember that during this this whole thing, the investigations, it was also said that the armorer was found to be under the influence of alcohol. She was not in her right. She was not in control of her sensories. So
she wasn't doing her job right.
Yeah, she wasn't. So there were lots of instances already leading up to that, and we can't particularly. Even when this issue came up, I didn't see him as
the
guilty.
bad guy.
Yes, because
that's what a whole lot of people are saying. I should have gotten to this level.
Yeah, because the director says shoot the weapon, and you shoot the weapon, and it turns out that there was a live bullet in it. I don't think that was his fault. Yeah. He was there. They were running through the scenes. They were running through it, and I know how directors can be, you know, method. They want to do it real. Okay, let me see you do it. Shoot it like you would actually shoot, and then he actually does that, and the incidents happen. He's not in charge of the weaponry, he's not in charge of the armory, he's not in charge of all that. So the armorer was the one who loaded the weapon, who had it with a live bullet, which is not supposed to happen on a film set. So yeah, I'm happy that he's actually been vindicated.
Yeah, and I think it's just a case of grace, because if the judge would have sat on it, we would have not known probably how it would swing. Yeah. But it's just a case of the prosecutors hiding evidence, and the judges, you know what, you people are being sneaky. You know what, all these things, go. That's what the judge just did, and massive congratulations, kind of, so he can go back to his life. There were even statements as regards the movie. Proceeds from the movie will be given to the husband. The husband will be, that's the Halyna Hutchins' husband. The husband will be added as a co-producer or direct. Somebody involved in the movie, royalties will go back to. So in a way, it's cool with the family, but they just wanted to see the case to the end.
So fun fact, did they ever finish the movie?
I think they ended up, yeah.
Because I can't imagine
to continue shooting,
it would have been.
They ended up shooting.
But yeah.